And we're back with the VibeCast. Hey, I'm here with the lovely Morgan. That says lovely Morgan. We're talking about the lovely law firm. Morgan, introduce yourself to the people.
Hi friends, I'm Morgan. I'm with the lovely law firm. I am marketing here. I used to always be here doing promos at Bike Week. I did it for years and years, spring and fall, and I loved it so much that I came back and started working for the firm. So I'm excited to be out here for the millionth year in a row, doing what I love, seeing all the people I love too.
Okay, so as far as how long have you guys actually been doing it? How long have you been coming to the rallies?
Well, I grew up here, so I have been coming to the rallies on the back of my dad's bike since I was too little to really know what it was, and then Emmy and I started working the rallies together. I think she's been here about 7 years, and I've been maybe 4 or 5, I think closer to 5. And we both do spring and fall right here at the Beaver Bar in the Myrtle Inlet, and we love it. We get a lot of people coming back. If I'm not here or she's not here, people are asking, where's the girl with the red hair? Where's the girl with the black hair? Where's Emmy? Where's Morgan? And it's really nice to know that we have become the face of the lovely law firm down here and built friends with not only the vendors, but our repeat patrons who are coming from all over the states. It's amazing to see the kind of community that you built here over the years.
Okay, so tell us about some of the community services that Lovely's involved in.
Yes, so the lovely law firm is so big on community service and being involved in the community. That's why we have our booth here, to show that we are not just a law firm, but we're a part of this community. We're building it from the ground up, helping those who need help in any way, shape, or form. In fact, there are some vendors here who are from Morganton, North Carolina, where Hurricane Helene just came through and absolutely devastated so many different communities. And Justin Lovely has taken it upon himself to talk about that, and we have talked about it as well. All these people out here who are looking for help, and we are right there ready to give it. Some of the food vendors here, we have made donations. We had one of our greatest clients, we just won a $15 million settlement for him, and he came out here and said, you know, Justin's my lawyer and he's a bleeding heart and so am I, and he dropped $3,000 in their tip bucket to help them because they lost their home and business down in North Carolina. So we are always looking for a way to give back. We've got the breast cancer in the Pink Walk coming up with Tidelands Health later this month, among other things. We got a blood drive that we're going to be a part of as a law firm as well. So lots of things. Every single month we set aside time to take everybody and say, this is the community service we're doing for the month. What do we want to do next month? And it's always a top priority.
Okay, so your reach goes far beyond the Grand Strand, yes?
Absolutely. We try to make sure we've got an office in Conway, Myrtle Beach, and Goose Creek in Charleston. So we're always trying to look for different opportunities all across the Low Country and Grand Strand. But I know Justin's reach is far greater than that, and we're always looking for opportunities that extend even further beyond that into maybe not South Carolina.
Mm-hmm. So how many different biker clubs do you think you see on average, in a weekend?
Oh my goodness, there are so many down here. You see all sorts of people repping their vests, their colors, their logos and brands. We've got the Bikers Against Child Abuse. I see a lot of them out here. We've got all sorts of people who are also big into community service, and I love chatting about that with them and seeing, how that might overlap for us. For our law firm does personal injury, but we specialize in motorcycle injury. I know that's something really near and dear to Justin's heart, and so seeing all these other biking clubs that are so into community service and can partner with us in that aspect is an amazing thing.
Okay, that's awesome. So as far as the vibe, what is the vibe during the bike fest? As far as you see from your booth, what's the vibe?
The vibes are all over the place. It depends on the day. It's incredibly up in the air, but it's always high energy, high impact. Even on our first days, we didn't have a lot of people out here this year just because that hurricane came through and we really didn't know what to expect. But even the few people that were here on those first days had so much energy, and we're so excited to be here and talk with us and come get their free goodies, of course.
Yes. Come and get the free goodies.
Yes. So our booth, we give away free goodies all day long, but we also give $20,000 for free to one winner spring and fall rallies for the bike of their choice. So they were out here very excited about that, as they should be. And they were excited to draw again. Most of the people that we get out here, they entered last year. They didn't win, but they got their free goodies on the way. So they're rushing back to the booth to sign up and get another chance at it. Akita, what did you ride into this rally on?
Y'all want to see my bike? The bike of choice. I didn't win this one, but yeah. I got the Harley Fat Boy, son, so me and my bike out here at the rally with the lovely law firm. So we're friends, we're all friends, so maybe I can win that bike because I might need to upgrade, but I'm going to keep this one with me. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's the VibeCast.